Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Angelina Fashions. In this video I am going to show you how to make a face shield for babies using the items which is easily available at our home. Here I am taking a clear bottle and cutting the shield according to the length of baby's face. You should cinch edge of the plastic to avoid hurt of your baby. I am attaching two-sided tape as padding. You can even use a sponge sheet or a piece of yoga mat as padding. I am attaching a piece of cotton piece also on top of this two-side tape. Finally, attach a long ribbon and stitch it together. Now the shield is ready. For boy baby you can use as it is. Here I am making it for a baby girl, so I am adding some additional decoration on it. In this shield, I have used sponge as a padding. Don't forget to sanitize the shield before using.